It's been a very busy day in this case with multiple motions filed. Obviously, we aren't attorneys, so we can't give you the complete insight into what all of this means for a high-profile case like this one. But it is our job to get those answers for you. And to be able to do that, we went to someone who has a much better understanding of what it's like inside a courtroom, in those back rooms, before the trial starts and during it. Our team coverage continues with attorney Michael Timberlake.
He joins us live now in studio. And Michael, obviously, everyone is entitled to a fair trial. Can you give us a better idea of how outside situations could impact a case in general, which could ultimately lead to a lawyer withdrawing like this in a case?
Yeah, sure. I mean, anytime, especially in a high-profile case such as this, with a capital murder charge, with the death penalty potentially on the line, the lawyers in the court are always going to be trying to avoid any kind of external events or external attention that might distract a jury from looking at the facts of the case. Or making something appear that it was unfair to the accused. So in a situation like this, they're going to do everything they can to make sure that there aren't any things that aren't associated with the case that are involved or would impact the case if it goes to trial.
We know McCoy faces the death penalty in this case. How does that raise the importance level of making sure nothing can influence the outcome?
Yeah, I mean, in a capital case, the court, they want, they're going to dot all the I's and cross all the T's. They're going to make sure that everything goes exactly perfect because if they don't, then you're looking at the potential defense of the ineffective assistance of counsel down the road, which could lead to, a lot of appeals and a lot of problems. And courts, they don't want to try a capital murder case twice. It takes a lot of time, a lot of resources to do it, so they want to make sure they do it all right the first time, and then we're not looking at a retrial or a mistrial down the road.
Yeah, that would not be the good case outcome. Thank you, Michael Timberlake, attorney. Appreciate you joining us and for your insight.